Yeah.
I wonder how many things we have in the garage.
Good save. Jessie, what are you doing?
Face mask.
What kind of face mask?
Avocado face mask.
Okay. Talk me through it.
So first you need avocados.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to mush them up, which I've already done. And you need to put lemon in. Squeeze!
So where did you learn this? Because she just came up to me today and said she wants to do, or no, some days ago and said she wants to do a face mask for me. I was like, seriously? I don't do this stuff. I don't do stuff like that. She said she learned it on, where did you learn it?
On a TV show.
On a TV show. Okay, let's see how it works. I hope my face will look very fresh by the time you're done. Oh no! Don't want to turn it to an ogre, Jaden.
Do you think I should do more? Because we're both gonna do it on each other.
Let's try it first and see how it works. Okay.
Now you need the hoodie.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I have to go to work tomorrow. I don't want to look like a monster. We're gonna wash it off, aren't we?
Yep.
How long is it gonna stay on before we wash it off?
About 5 minutes.
Okay.
I think.
You have to squish the bottle. The honey is slipping.
The power.
Sleeping.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay.
And mix and mash. Do you think
It is
gonna
messy,
be very
JCL.
sticky?
Yes, yeah. Why do we have so much mess?
Because we make memories. We need mess.
Yeah. Oh god, because I always say when we're making memories, it's okay to make mess. Yeah.
As soon as you even if you make lots and lots of mess.
That's fine. We can always clean it up.
Yeah.
But at least we've made lasting memories.
Okay, I think it's done.
Okay.
Just a few more. Just close your eyes and your mouth.
What about my hair?
Pack it up.
Okay. So I need to get my hair out of the way.
Yeah. So it doesn't get in your hair.
Okay. Nobody wants avocado infused hair. Right, I'm gonna use my sweatband to get it. Alright, come on. Let's do this. I need a relaxing chair. This chair is not very comfy. But yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I feel cold.
Very cold. It's very cold. And the feeling of your finger on my face is ticklish. Ooh. Ah. Oh my goodness. It's like ice. It wasn't in the fridge, was it?
No.
Oh my goodness.
You're not supposed to put it in the fridge.
No, you're not.
It's supposed to be nice and smooth.
But it's cold.
It's like cream that's really freezing.
Jaden.
Jaden, stop being mean. I think this will really
beautiful.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. I trust you, JCL.
Jaden doesn't trust me.
JCL is my facials expert.
Jaden doesn't trust me.
What does he know? He's a boy.
I'm done with the face mask, so we don't have any cucumbers, so we're gonna use tomatoes.
Tomato eyes.
Oh no.
Alright, I have to
I feel really bad.
Oh goodness. I've never seen anybody use tomatoes before. Oh, it's so
feel
cold.
so
But
bad.
it is relaxing. It's actually a watery fruit, isn't it? It's gonna fall.
Oh, it fell on the ground.
It's really cool. It's almost like cucumber will feel. Am I not staying properly? Okay.
It's supposed to take a lot of.
Jessia, what's the use of these tomatoes?
It's to make it not take away puffiness from your eyes.
Okay, that's good. So my eyes will be nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Oh goodness, it's falling.
This one
It keeps
doesn't
falling.
like it. I'm just doing it everywhere. No.
It's cold, yeah?
Sorry. Well, it's better to get it over with.
We'll see the sign there.
You guys are
Jason.
right. It's really cold.
Have you seen it? Yeah. It's cold.
It feels even more freezing since it's quite cold outside. Jaden, you're in the video!
Photo Baba. Video Baba. You see your life, Jaden. You are a mess. It's actually working. I can feel the stiffness, slightly stiff. Like it's drying or it's holding your face together as it's drying up. Oh, JCL, you've taught me something. Look at Jaden Louis silly in the background. JCL has taught me how to make a face mask. That's amazing,
now you can make
JCL.
it for your friends.
Yes, now I can try it every now and again. It's so easy to make, isn't it?
Yeah,
Just
like
3
you
things.
Can make Jacob's
Oh my
garden,
God, you're a
and
posh
then-
girl, JCL. Mom doesn't do all these things. You're teaching me cool stuff. JCL is always protecting her.
Oh, and Jason's trying to tackle. Jason's gonna pass it. Oh, but Mom's got her back. Oh, okay. Jesus just gotta get back. Go for it.
Oh no! It's a foul! None of that!
I didn't.
No, none of that! That's a yellow card. Yellow. No.
No, kill your mom.
You're sad.
I didn't even catch
Penalty, get ready.
Get ready. You can save this. It's fine, Jason.
Come on, Jason, you can do it.
Oh, what a save! Oh. Mom's got the ball. And Jason put in a tackle. Great tackle from Jason. Oh, it's a goal! It's a goal! What a goal by Jason.
Alright.
It's 1-0.
Jamin, out the way.
Oh, and she's going. Let's see if she can make it.
Oh, she's missed it. She is just truly horrible. And Jason is just making a mock of her right now.
No, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna
Oh my gosh, the youngster's got the ball. What tackle? Oh no! Oh no! It's 1-0. The draws are tied.
Let's stop there.
Mom, I hope
I
you're
don't want
proud.
this girl to win me.
I hope you're proud of yourself.
Oh, I'm
scoring
very-
against a 6-year-old.
Exactly. Make her
I'm
feel
4 times her age, but I'm so proud.
Wow.
She's had practice. You've trained her. Jaden, the almighty coach, has been coaching her for years, and he's never coached me. I don't have any coach or manager.
And you still didn't manage to win. And you're triple her
but I
age.
drew. Forget my face. We are monsters today. Look at us.
Oh,
We
wow.
are doing
Okay.
a girl's timeout.
No favoritism. Anyway, Miss Essentia,
We can end-
how do you feel about the draw?
I'll take it. It's okay. I don't feel my best. I wish I won her because she's just a little girl. But I'm happy with it. I don't know what I would say. It's a fair game because she is a good player. Hats off to her. Yeah,
got
she
good-
gave me a run for my money.
Got good mindset.
Yes.
And Jason's coming for her interview.
Jason, it's okay we can borrow you for 1 second? Please, Jason.
Jason,
there
how
seems
do
to
you feel about how do you feel about the draw? Just
Yeah, there seems to be lots of clubs surrounding you and wanting to sign you. Well, how do you feel about that?
which one are you gonna pick? Guy. Now,
Mad about the penalty. Why were you mad? Oh.
How do you
because I didn't even knock you down.
How do
You
you-
didn't knock
how
me
do you
down.
feel about the
so you
penalty?
felt cheated, yeah? Oh, this referee needs to be fired.
Excuse me.
Well, you saved it, so congratulations for saving it, isn't it?
Excuse me. Leave us alone.
It's
Stop
always
video.
good to do videos the other way, you know. Oh. Right, Jamie, your shot. Good. I'm always scared that somebody's gonna break his spine in this thing.
I've landed it plenty of times.
Yeah.
Quite easy, yeah.
You were practicing for a while, right? Did you manage to get it?
Yeah.
That's good.
I didn't get a back foot.
Okay.
I always knew how to do a front foot.
Front flip, but it was the back one you were practicing. All right, JCL's turn. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's time to wipe it off. first of all, before I wash it, I'm gonna use a face towel and warm cloth. They've abandoned me. she couldn't do this part for me. I want to do it thoroughly. It's all dried up and it actually makes your face feel really tight, which I suppose is a good thing. Seriously, I can see a huge difference. I'm gonna try this mask out because I did have all the ingredients in my house anyway. I always have avocados, and I've always have lemons and honey as well. So pretty straightforward homemade mask. Guess I discovered on telly. So impressive. Look at that. My face has always been smooth anyway, but you can feel the extra kind of silkiness. I'll have a shower, then I'll rub shea butter, which is the only thing I use on my face anyway. So got a little bit of shea butter, just a tiny bit. That's all I use. Shea butter, and if I don't have shea butter, I use coconut oil for my skin. Oh, it does feel softer. It actually does. It does feel really, oh my goodness. I had it on for longer than 5 minutes because I was really feeling like it was working. I had it on for like 20 minutes. I just carried it around in the garden and played football and did all that. Garden shenanigans with them. Oh wow, look at that. Well, to be honest, my skin has always been smooth, but I wish you could feel it because it just feels kind of softer and slicker, if that's the word. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna try this more often. I am gonna try it. It does feel like if I do it every now and again, I will have even better skin than I already do. I'm not complaining about my skin. I do love my skin. I've been blessed with good skin. Anyway, all right, so yeah, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Till next time, keep living, loving, and laughing. Bye.